I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese with milk. Heat milk gently to the target temperature and add starter culture and rennet promptly. Stir slowly until curds separate from whey, then cut curds to encourage whey release. Drain and press the curds to remove excess liquid, then salt and age as desired. I will guide you through texture adjustments, timing tips, and simple troubleshooting for consistent homemade cheese results. Gently handling curds makes the difference between grainy and smooth cheese, so be patient and precise. After cutting, maintain a gentle stir to help curds expel whey without shattering. Transfer curds to a cheesecloth-lined mold, then apply even pressure to shape and compact them into a solid wheel or block. Salt at the appropriate stage to enhance flavor and control moisture, and follow aging suggestions to develop the profile you want. Aging transforms fresh curds into complex cheese, so set up a cool, humid space and watch closely. Rotate and monitor your cheese regularly to catch any issues early and trim unwanted growth if needed. Keep notes on time, temperature, and salt so you can reproduce successes and refine future batches. Small tweaks in humidity or salt concentration will change texture and flavor, letting you tailor the cheese to your preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.